this is the product we're doing right here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. See? I kind of had it open already at the store to make sure everything was here. There we go. Ah, it won't open. It's taped here. All right. Okay, here we are. Oh, instructions. This is the sender by the look of it, or the Wi-Fi hub they call it. Here is a little door thingamabobber we're mount on the door. And I would imagine that this is the power supply. Yep. This is the power supply, some mounting brackets. So we're going to mix up some mortar. I have a few videos on this already. As you can see, it's nighttime now. The day kind of escaped from here. I am back. So this is the piece that I was talking about. Okay, so let's go through some of the tools that I have to do this job. And what this part is this will sit on the garage door, and if the garage door is sitting closed, this will send a signal to this device saying that the garage door is closed. As the garage door opens and this changes orientation, now the garage door knows the garage door is open because it goes like this, right? Closed, open, and it says top here, so we want to make sure, and then we want to yank this out. Now this is live. We'll mount that to the door. I would imagine this comes with just some simple double-sided tape right there with a little Velcro. Stick it on, stick it to the door. Seems really easy, really easy. Okay, so that's going to go on the door. That's one part. Then there's the Wi-Fi hub, as they call it. This mounts somewhere near your garage door, and it has in the directions kind of where to mount that. Right, okay, so kind of here, left or right of the actual garage door opener. This is going to mount up in the ceiling with this bracket that I was just screwing with. Mounts up into the ceiling. And what happens is, when the Wi-Fi app or your app talks to this box, it just sends out the signal. Normally, just like a garage door opener would when you press your garage door opener button, it sends out the code. So this is going to have to talk to your garage door opener. You have to program it like a regular garage door opener. This sits on the ceiling, and that's it. The rest of the stuff is all done through the phone. So I'm going to go. You're going to see me install this in the garage. I'm going to use some brackets, this and this. And one of the things, this plugs in, this powers this device, kind of goes right there, right? Boop. It's really simple. But one of the things that I noticed is, let me just go back to these instructions here. See how that's plugged in right there, upside down? I was a little worried about it, to be honest, because, you know, that will just vibrate loose over time, especially the garage door. What they have included inside this little bag here is little double-sided tape. So I'm going to put a little bit on there like that, and that will stick up, and then that will hold it up in place. Otherwise, what will happen is that will fall out. Okay, so I'm going to go to the job site now, and I'm going to do it. From this point forward, once you download the MyQ app, you just follow along the directions. It's super easy. So it's asking me to power up the little box and make sure the blue light is on. So I run up the ladder, and you can see there's a blue light flashing. Then it asks me to scan the serial number on the back of the little box. Would have been helpful to know before I mounted the box, but up the ladder again, snap the photo. Right after that, it starts scanning for my Wi-Fi network. Once I select my Wi-Fi network and put in my credentials, it connects real easy. Now at this point, I've selected Chamberlain as my make, and it's asking me what color of program button is on your garage door opener. Mine is red, as you can see here, so I press the button and it starts to go in programming mode. As soon as that happens, it starts pairing, and voila, the garage door starts opening. From this point forward, your garage door is now smart. From here, you can use the app to open and close the garage door. Just select the door, click open or close. That's it.